In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website layout graphic in Midjourney through Discord and download the final image. To get started, open your web browser and go to Discord since that's where you'll access your Midjourney workspace. Once Discord loads, make sure you're in the correct server or channel where Midjourney commands are enabled. This is important because all image generation happens directly inside Discord, and having the right workspace open will save you time and keep your project organized. When you're ready, click into the message bar and use the Imagine command. After the command, type a clear and descriptive prompt that explains the kind of layout you want Midjourney to create. For example, you might describe a modern UI and UX website landing page designed for business with a clean corporate technology style and a web layout feel. You can also include the version parameter at the end of the prompt to guide the rendering style. The more specific your wording is, the better chance you have of getting results that match your vision. Try to focus on design-related keywords like layout, landing page, clean, corporate, modern, and tech, because those help steer the AI toward interface-style visuals instead of unrelated artwork. After you send the prompt, Midjourney will begin generating several layout variations. Give it a moment to finish processing. You'll usually see multiple options appear in a grid, and each one may interpret your request a little differently. Take your time here and compare the results carefully. Look for the version that has the strongest structure, the cleanest spacing, and the overall visual style that best matches the type of website concept you want. Once you've picked your favorite variation, use the upscale option for that specific image. Upscaling tells Midjourney to create a larger, more detailed version of the layout you selected. This is the version you'll want if you plan to review it closely, share it, or use it as a visual reference for design work. When the upscaled image is ready, open it and download the file using Chrome. Make sure the image fully loads before saving it, so you get the highest quality version available. It's also a good idea to save it somewhere easy to find, especially if you'll be using it in a design workflow afterward. That's it. You've successfully used Discord and Midjourney to generate a website layout concept, choose the best variation, upscale it, and download the final image.